Pinan Nidan. Right? Yoi. Hands up, fist down. Look, crouch, orient your body to the right. Step with your right foot. Pull your right hand back. Pivot on your toes. Hammer fist. That's broken down in application. Turn your hand to a 45. Step, punch. Fold for a down block. Step back and across. Turn, down block. Set, middle block. Step, punch. Look, fold. Turn your back foot so it's easier to turn forwards. Front foot comes in. Step, down block. Set, step, up block. Punch through. Wrist in front of the forehead, arm in front of the eye, elbow in front of the shoulder. Set, fist in front of the chin, and elbow in a straight line across from the wrist. Step, punch up, step, punch up. Fold for a down block with the front hand. Look, back leg steps over, pivot, down block, set, step, up block, fold, look, foot comes in, steps out, down block, set, step, up block, fold for a down block, front foot comes in, step to the back wall, down block, raise your arm, step, punch, step, punch, step, punch. So you can see what's going on. Your hand is going to come to your side. At the same time, your other hand is going to come in front. Both hands will be open, this hand. Your hand will be oriented at an angle sloping up to your shoulder. Wrist about a fist away from the sternum. Elbow straight down from the arm. Arm will be flat. I like to say like a butler holding a towel. Backhand, though open. Wrist is in the same place it would be in for a regular hikite or chamber. We're here. Look. Back leg steps over. Pivot. We leave a little bit of slack in our hips. We're not squared. We're turned a little bit so our hips cause the motion forwards. This hand out our center line. This hand above our leg. Pull this hand back. Set this one in front of us. Turn your foot. Step, leaving that little bit of space in your hips to push. Center line, flat in front of your hip. Pull this hand straight back. Pull this hand straight back. Together. Look. Step to your other angle. Leaving that space in the hips. Push. Pull your hand back. Chamber. Step. Push. Feet come together to the back, not the front. Hands up. Fist down. Bow. Remember, when you bow, we don't bow loud. We cup our hands. Put them on the seam of our pants or the line going down them right on our side. And we bow. That's how Okinawans bow. Japanese, big bow. We do a little bow. Pinan Nidan.